I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing devices so discovery works immediately. Make sure your TV supports Smart View or Miracast, and both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, pull down Quick Settings on your phone and tap Smart View. If it's not visible, open Settings Connections Screen Mirroring. Make sure the TV is set to receive a connection and any guest mode is off, because that prevents pairing. Do this now so the next steps can locate the display without delay. You now perform the connection. Tap the TV name listed in Smart View and wait for the handshake. If your TV prompts for permission, accept it quickly. If it shows a PIN, enter it on your phone to secure the link. Once connected, check orientation, rotate your phone to switch portrait or landscape, and adjust resolution in display settings if available to reduce lag. If audio routes incorrectly, open sound output and select TV. These steps finalize the live mirroring process. Finish by confirming stable playback and control. Play a short video and test audio to ensure sync and make small adjustments to volume and screen scale. If the stream stutters or disconnects, first stop large downloads and streaming on the network, then toggle Smart View off and on, or reboot the phone and TV. If problems persist, check for firmware and OS updates, because outdated software often blocks Miracast. One key tip: switching to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band usually improves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.